Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can easily add stickers to your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes below the video. Also don't forget to write a comment after watching it. And let us get started with you. In order for you to add yourself any stickers on your iPhone, please open a message and go to some of your correspondence. Next, friends, you will see that you have here, of course, a message bar, and it has a plus on the left side. Click on that. Next, select stickers. And what can you do here? How do you add stickers? First of all, you can add your own stickers. Make them. To do that, click right here. Then click on the plus sign. And now select any photo that you like. And as you can see, your iPhone will generate the sticker itself. And then, friends, click Add Sticker. And as you can see, it will instantly be added to the sticker that you created. Also, friends, you can add these are the stickers that are there. On an iPhone, they always have them. These animated stickers. And in order to add them, you'll need to click here Edit at the bottom. Then go to Stickers in the App Store. So friends, this will open up the App Store app where you'll be able to select the stickers that you like. And then you'll have to click Download. And once the stickers are downloaded, just click Open. And then you can use the stickers. But some stickers, as you can see, they are paid. So friends, be careful and maybe use the stickers only for the free period, or download the paid stickers right away so you know you have them paid. These are the two ways, friends, you can add stickers to your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes under the video. Write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.